Wow, I'm so ladylike. Excuse me. Jeez. Okay, that's it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Wow, okay. Clearly I had way too much coffee this morning. I need to like tone it down a bit. Anyways, hey guys, what's up? How are you guys doing today? If you guys are new here, my name is Necee. Be sure to hit that subscribe button before you leave. I would really appreciate it. In today's video, as you guys can see, we're getting real close. In today's video, as you guys can see, we're getting real close and personal because I don't even have moisturizer on. I don't even have eyebrows on. Usually my videos, I have at least my eyebrows done. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing my January BoxyCharm box. And I did take a little bit of a peek, so that is why I am barefaced right now, and you guys will see in just a second. If you guys are not familiar with BoxyCharm, it's basically a monthly beauty subscription box where you pay $21 a month and you receive 4 to 5 full-size beauty products. I really enjoy the subscription. I usually enjoy most of the stuff that I get in the boxes, and I think it's really worth it. The value of the overall box is usually a little bit over $100, at least the boxes that I've received so far. And I think it really does open you up to, you know, trying new products. So yeah, with that being said, let's just go ahead and get right into it. Alright guys, so this month's theme is Boxy and Chill. What I really like about BoxyCharm is that they give you this little card, and on the back it has information of all the products that you are receiving, which I find super duper helpful. So anyways, the first product that I will be using today is one that I was super stoked to be receiving, and it is Tatcha's Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. Now I've never used Tatcha, but I've heard great things about them. I know that I will like this product. It says that it's for normal to dry skin, so that's amazing. It has a blend of rice germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extracts. Each mask is designed for maximum absorption, delivering 20 milliliters of skin quenching serum and imparting an instant dewy luminous glow, which who doesn't like to just be glowy and luminous and A scientifically perfected trio of fermented Japanese anti-aging superfoods like green tea, rice, and algae instantly restore skin's health and radiance. And this actually retails for $24, which already beats the price of this box, and you get 2 of them. So that's super bomb. There's also a little code here. You get a free gift with a purchase of $75 or more on your first order at Tatcha.com. The code is Boxy19, and this code is valid from January 8th to February 7th. I'll leave the code and the details to that down below in case you guys are interested on purchasing anything on their website. But yeah, ooh, it feels like there's lots of good products in here, so let's just dive right in. Oh my gosh, it's like drenched. I haven't done like a sheet mask in a while. I'm just so stoked. Okay, I need a mirror. Where's my mirror? Let me do my leg together. Come on. Gotta be prepared, you're a YouTuber. Okay. Whoa. Okay, there's a lot of product on here. It's dripping. Came through drip, drip, drip. Like, ooh, it is saturated. They meant that 20 liters. Okay. Ooh, it's so cold. Oh my god. If I'm not awake right now, I definitely am right now. Oh god, it's so cold. Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Oh my, it's literally still it's dripping all over me.
Came through drip, drip.
Oh, I don't want to eat it, ew. The only thing about sheet mask is like, sometimes they like slide off your face and stuff, so, ooh, there's lots of extra product. Let's bring that down to my neck. I look so funny on camera, this is funny. Oh gosh, okay. Whew, it definitely feels really cool, and it has a lot of product on here, so it's already hydrating. It says to leave this on for 15 minutes, so I'm gonna leave this on for 15 minutes, and then once it's done, you need to peel it off and massage the remaining serum into skin, so you don't even have to wash it off. Okay, cool, I'm about it. See you guys in 15 minutes.
Meanwhile,
I have such a small face. There's like so much like loose. This feels so good though. Oh, it feels so good. And I have like 2 friends on my face if you guys didn't see it earlier. So yes, give me all the hydration and vitamins I need.
20 minutes later.
Alright, so it's actually been a little bit over 15 minutes, but this just feels so cooling and so good on the face that I didn't mind letting it sit on my face. So I wanted to take it off on camera. Whoa. Oh my god, my face feels so like just good. There's definitely lots of extra product on my face and it just says to massage that in. Ugh, guys, honestly, it feels so good and refreshing. It still feels like pretty cool. I've been really looking into investing in Tatcha. Oh my gosh, that felt so good. My skin feels amazing. And yeah, honestly, that mask really did absorb into my skin so nicely. Definitely gave a nice sticky base to go ahead and stick like foundation on. Like I don't even think I would even need to prime. Like it's pretty tacky, I will say that. I don't know if I should like rinse my face off and then put my primer and everything on or just keep it on because I don't want it to like change how I apply my makeup. You guys get what I'm saying? I'm gonna let it seep into my skin a little bit more and see if it absorbs more in because like I said, it was a lot of product. So I'm gonna give it a few minutes and then I'll be right back.
12 seconds later.
Love that I get another one to try out too because that felt bomb. And as you guys can see, I have a couple little hiccups on my face, so that'll be really, really great. And I'm all about like just self-care and just, you know, taking a little bit of time to just love yourself and your skin, you know? So yes, thank you so much Tatcha and Boxy Charm and Kathleen Lights, because if you guys didn't know, for this month's box, Kathleen Lights kind of like helped out pick out some of the products that were featured. So yeah, this was a super great choice. I am just gonna go in with the second product here, which is Briogeo's Roscaro Milk. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but it is a reparative leave-in conditioning spray. It has no sulfates, no silicones, and no parabens. So that is super awesome. This is obviously not a full-size product. This retails for $12. It says that it effectively restores your hair's softness, manageability, moisture, and shine. It's infused with ultra-nourishing rose hip argan oil and coconut oils. This spray works to detangle wet hair and protects against heat while locking in moisture, restoring luster, and diminishing frizz. Now, I actually cheated a little bit and I used this yesterday and the day before because it is a hair product and I didn't just want to come on camera and just put it in my hair for the first time and be like, oh, this is a great product, da 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 da. No, I wanted to actually like give it a fair chance. You know, I do have pretty thick and curly hair, so I didn't want to just stick it in my hair. And I will say that I actually enjoy this product. What I was doing was just spraying it into my hand. I actually have nothing in my hair. I just got out the shower not too long ago and I let it dry a little bit, so it's just a little bit damp. And then I will just run it through from like my ear down. I don't really add it into my scalp or anything. I kind of focus it more on the ends. Like I have super long hair, guys, so this is like really great and it smells so good. I will say that like you will smell the scent throughout the day, but it's a really light and fresh scent. You kind of can smell a little hint of the rose. It smells so good that I didn't even mind it. And yeah, I love this product. I think it does a really good job at conditioning and moisturizing your hair and stuff. I'm gonna still keep using it out and I'll let you guys know in the future how that goes. So yeah, the next product in this box is also another reason why I didn't do my eyebrows today. And it's because I got the $1 Billion Brows Universal Brow Pencil. Now I thought that this was super interesting, like universal, what do you mean? So this is what it looks like. You know, it has your classic spoolie on the end, and what I really love about this is it's retractable. It's kind of thin, comes to a point, like this brownish color. It actually looks like it's a lighter color, for me at least. Ooh, feels super creamy. This is what it looks like. So we'll see how I like this. Let's see how universal this product really is. I'm just gonna do my eyebrows really quick off camera and I'll come right back and let you guys know how I feel about this product.
Eventually.
Alright, so eyebrows are on. It actually took me a little bit longer than usual to do my eyebrows. Okay, so first off, let me just read about this product. I haven't told you guys about this product yet. So, like I said, this is the $1 Billion Brows Universal Brow Pencil. It says that it is specially and carefully formulated to work perfectly with most skin tones and brow colors. This self-sharpening pencil glides onto your brows without tugging or pulling your skin, and the smooth and creamy formula makes it easy for applications. This is a full-size product and it retails for $18. So I will say I did like the color. You know, it blended well actually. I thought it was lighter than a shade that I would normally go for. I usually go for like a dark brown, not so much like a light brown. Like this is a pretty light brown. But I will say the formulation, yes, it's super creamy, but I almost feel like it's too creamy. I don't know if that makes sense, you know, like it's almost too creamy that it's kind of hard to work with. Yeah, it's okay. I don't really see myself going to pick up this product often. I don't really think I'm gonna be really using much of this product, so yeah. Let's just go to the next one, okay? Let's just go. It just got a little bit sad. The next product I have here is this eyeshadow palette from Tarte. This is the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 eyeshadow palette. This is actually a limited edition palette. Ooh, that's exciting. It says that it's a vegan crease-free eyeshadow palette. It has 7 highly reflective plush micro shimmers and 1 matte nude that serves as the perfect transition shade. It has a blendable and long wear formula that is enriched with vitamin E and antioxidants that help to hydrate and protect the lids. And this is a full-size product and it retails for $36. This palette's pretty neutral. I'm gonna try and do an eye look with just this palette. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get right into it. Ooh, and it actually comes with a little card that has 4 different eye looks that you can make with this palette. So that's really nice and handy, especially those of you who aren't really into makeup and don't really know like what shades go with what or where to place what shade where. Oops. It's actually just 2 different eye looks, just one side's in Spanish and one side is in English, which actually no, this isn't in Spanish, is it? No. I don't know what language this is. Okay guys, I don't know what I'm talking about. Just there's a couple eyeshadow looks on here. So I'm just going to quickly do my eyes. This isn't a makeup tutorial, it's just kind of me testing out the products, letting you guys know how they work and stuff. Alright, so I'm gonna quickly prime my eyes with Makeup Revolution's concealer in the shade C7, and then I'm just gonna go in with a few of these shades and just let you guys know how these shadows work out. Hopefully I can make something cute because there's only 1 nude shade and that nude is kind of light, so hopefully it's buildable, and I don't know, we'll see. We'll see what we end up doing here. I'm just gonna place Cheeky in the crease and the outer V. Wow, there's really not much fallout, at least in this matte shade, which is awesome. I love Tarte eyeshadow palettes. Okay, this shade is looking way too light. Am I getting product? Well, this shade is pretty much like my skin tone, so you're not really gonna see it. I love Tarte eyeshadows, so I know these shadows will perform really nicely. I actually have a few palettes from Tarte. I'm gonna take another eyeshadow palette just so I can get some crease color going on. I'm actually gonna take Tarte's Tartelette in Bloom palette, and I'm going to go in with the shade Jet Setter, Smarty Pants, and Sweetheart, and sticking it in my crease and the outer V. As you guys can see, I use this palette a bunch, and I dropped it too, so one of the shades, which was actually my favorite shade, basically just, you know, came out of the pan, so that's that. I'm gonna do Escape for my brow highlight. Oh, Jesus. Okay, let's see, and then I'm gonna go in with Heat Wave. No, I'm not. Okay, what? No, not Heat Wave. Let's do Jewel. Okay. They don't really work by themselves. I think I'll just have to wet my brush. I don't feel like cutting my crease because I'm going to be filming other videos. Let's do a quick little spritz-roo. And then we'll go in with Malibu. I'm going to have to cut my crease. I really didn't want to, but it's okay. Half cut crease moment. Alright, and then I'm gonna go back in with Malibu now. Should be fine. Yes, there we go. The shade kind of blends in with the crease color that I picked, but that's fine. In the inner corner, I'm gonna go in with Treasure. And then on top of Malibu, I'm gonna stick Raise. Kind of like in the center. Just to give more of a pop of color. And then to marry these two shades together, I am going to go in with the shade Rebel from the Tarte in Bloom palette. Little quick look, nothing too crazy like I said. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye and do the rest of my face makeup and everything, and I'll be right back to give you guys my thoughts.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, I'm back. I know, that was super quick, right? But I will have all the makeup details of what's on my face down below, so if you guys are interested, just go ahead and check that out. I actually ended up really loving how my eye makeup turned out. At first I was kind of like, but I really do love how it turned out. It's funny because once you add like a little bit of mascara and you do your bottom lash line and everything, it just all comes together. 'Cause sometimes at first you're like, and then you do all those steps and then you're like, oh yes girl, there I am. I'm back to life. So I really did enjoy this eyeshadow palette. As you guys could see though, I did need to use some type of eyeshadow base for the shimmers in here, which it's not too disappointing for me. I don't really find it that big of a deal, but honestly, there wasn't really any fallout for any of the shades that I used or anything like that. So I really enjoyed this palette. Yeah, that's all about it. For the last item that is in this box, I actually got this Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick, and I have mine in the shade Havana Nights. This shade in particular, I know that Kathleen Light's collabed with Ofra, so that's pretty exciting. I actually forgot that there was a liquid lipstick in this box, so hopefully it goes with the look, but who cares, whatever. It says that this is a matte liquid lipstick that delivers a long-lasting color that perfectly outlines and fills in lips. It stays on all day with minimum transfer while maintaining a comfortable wear, infused with vitamin A and antioxidants that will give your lips a healthy look all day, and this retails for $20. Let's just go right in and see how this works out. I've heard really great things about Ofra. I actually don't have any lip products from them, so super excited. This is what the applicator looks like. Just a simple, normal, like doe foot applicator. It's pretty small too, which I like because that means I can like really get in there. Sometimes when the doe foot applicator is so big, it's hard for you to really outline your lips, but it's good for filling in your lips, so. The scent reminds me of something, but I can't like put my finger on what the scent is. It's not a scent that's like that would bother you or anything. It doesn't linger. I can't smell it right now or anything, but as I'm applying it, I can smell it because obviously my nose is right there. Really love this shade. This is definitely a shade that I would go for, like a berry maroon shade. Wasn't hard to apply, gave great coverage. Honestly, I didn't need to constantly dip in here or anything. One swipe and it was good for my bottom and my top lip, so yeah, I don't have anything bad to say that. Overall, I really enjoyed everything in this box. The only thing that I didn't really like was the eyebrow pencil, and the overall value for this box was $110, but if you calculate having both of those Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Masks, then it really does go to $134, which is great. Hello, you only pay $21 for this box. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!